Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a couple of days ago, I let you know that Microsoft may finally be removing AI clutter from Windows 11. I'll leave the video linked if you'd like some more information. Now, it does seem, though, that although that could be the case, that someone has forgot to get the memo because, according to Rafael Rivera over on X, a new update to the out-of-box setup experience on Windows 11 has added the ability to try out Copilot as your PC installs the operating system. And the out-of-box experience, OOBE, are those prompts you see when you are installing the operating system. Now, here we can see from the images provided over on X that the setup now shows a Try Now button for Copilot, which when clicked will open Copilot and the chat interface. So this is all taking place before you even get into the Windows operating system. Now the interface, as we can see, is integrated directly within the out-of-box experience UI, and apparently doesn't even require a Microsoft account to use. And as you can see, here's Copilot at the top, and here's the installation progress taking place underneath. So basically, you can use Copilot normally like you would do in Windows itself, while your PC progresses through the actual setup process. Now just take note though that this ability to try Copilot only appears when your PC is downloading an update during the setup experience. So it's only when there is an update available or is running an older build of Windows 11 that needs to be updated to the latest version before you can actually use it. So once again, it seems that Microsoft has found yet another area of the operating system to inject Copilot. So Microsoft even wants you to use Copilot now before you get into Windows, which could be a form of advertising to some extent or the other. But let me know your thoughts. Do you think this is something you would use in the OOBE? Be interested to hear. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.